Hello everyone, welcome to today's video. So today we'll be talking about components. And components are elements in our UX design that help us to create and manage consistent design in our UX project. Now these components they are usable when designing our UX project. Also, we have two types of components. We have the main component, which help us to define the properties of our UX design, and also we have the instance component. The instance component is simply a duplicated version of the main component. Simply means it will take whatsoever change that has been made in the main component. So whenever we make changes in the main component, the instance component will inherit the changes that have been made. So let's create a component. So we'll be designing a shape, a rectangle shape. A component that can be created from buttons, shapes, icons, layout, and a lot more. But for the sake of this video, we'll be designing a shape, a button shape. So let's change the color of this to something different entirely. Okay, let's create a text. Okay, this is too big, so let's change the font size to something smaller. Okay, this is perfect. So let's align it properly. Okay. So in order to create a component, what we need to do is that we need to highlight the shape and also the text over here. So we can simply click and drag. Then we head over to this three dot over here that says more actions. So we click on it. We see an option of creating component, and it has a shortcut key Control Alternate plus K. So when we click on it, our component will be created. And over the layer panel over here, you can see that the component has been created. And so in order to duplicate this component, we highlight the main component, go to the shape and the text, and then we hold down our alternate key, and then we'll drag in order to create a duplicate. And this is a duplicate of this. So this is the main component, this is the instance. And you can see it over here. This is the main component, and this is the instance component. And so whatsoever change we make in the main component, which is this, whatsoever change we make in the main component will take effect in the instance component. So let's see that. So let's make changes to the text over here. So you can see that the change that we made in this main component took effect in the instance component. When we also change the color, it will also take effect in this instance component. So let's also create another copy, another duplicated copy of the main component. Another thing you need to understand is about override of component. So when you make changes to this component over here, to any of the instance component, it simply means that you overrided that component. So let's make changes to this text over here. So we make changes to the test over here. And so whatever change we make in the make component, we will make changes to the test over here in the make component. You can see that the change that was made in the main component didn't affect this third component over here, which is an instance, simply because we've made changes in the test over here. So the component over here no longer inherit the properties of the main component, but this other second component over here, simply because we didn't make changes to it, it inherited the properties of the main component. So you can see our component work. So if you want to reset the change that has been made here, all we simply do, we'll highlight it, and then we right click, and then we can reset changes. So when we reset all the changes, any change that's been made here will take effect in all the components. So then when you head over to our asset over here, you can see that the component we've created, you can find it here. So whenever you want to use any component, we use any component that have been created in your US project, all you simply need to do is that you click and drag. So you click and drag it over to your frame, you'll be able to make changes to it, and then we use it in your US project. So there we have it. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye.